In the shadows of Gotham, heroes rise unseen. So too do talents waiting to be noticed. From the lush forest and hills of Nilmbur comes Mushahid, son of Munir Babu and Shada, an 11th grade student of Face World Leadership School. A passionate singer and dedicated SDG ambassador, he speaks today for hidden talents, turning lost paths into possibilities. Please join me in welcoming a voice that brings hidden talents to light. Mushahid.
Mom, I have something to tell you. I want to go abroad when I've grown up. Many of my friends say there is better opportunity, better life, and better future. For a long time, this was the only thing I kept saying to my mother, because I believe it was the only way to success. But sometimes, one small moment can open our eyes. For me, it's happened during a video call with my cousin, who lives abroad. We were just talking, laughing, and sharing memories. Then he said, "Hey, let me introduce you some of my friends here." Soon, few faces joined the call. There was Ashik, a cheerful guy working at KFC. Out of curiosity, I asked, "Then what did you study?" He smiled and said softly, "I completed my MBA." I was shocked. An MBA graduate working at KFC? How? Then another friend joined. Her name was Fatima. She told me she completed her degree in nursing, but now doing a small job, not in that field. For a moment, I don't know what to say. I just sat there and thinking, what happened to them? As they were the toppers, they were the talented students, the ones teachers prized, the ones every parent spoke about with proud. But somewhere, life took them in a different turn. And then I realized this is not just the problem of Ashik or Fatima, but the problem of millions of students in India, each with a spark, each with a story that deserve to be here. Every year, thousands of students complete their UG, PG, or professional degree. They study hard, earn good marks, and hope for a better future. But soon after, many go abroad. Not for high-level career, but for short-term courses or low-paid jobs. Slowly, they settle there, doing work far below their qualification. At first, they go for opportunity. Later, they stay, because they see no opportunity here. And while they leave our country, still lacks doctors, engineers, innovators, and leaders. So the question is, why our students are leaving? The answer is simple. Our education system teaches us how to pass, not how to progress. It teaches us how to remember, not how to think. It teaches us how to work, not how to grow. So we need an education system that gives direction, not just degree. An education that helps students to build their real life skills, to discover their talents, and to become leaders, not just followers. So let's guide our youth towards careers in civil service, engineering, innovations, and educations, so they can build a strong future here in India. Our India doesn't lack talent, it only lacks the right path. So let's build a system where students like Ashik or Fatima do not want to leave their country for their vote. They can stay, grow, lead a better life in here. Because when our youth rise, India rises with them. Thank you.